The TEC3UI is a series of isolated DC-DC converters with ultra-wide input range. This new converter generation is designed to seamlessly replace existing 2-to-1 and 4-to-1 input converter series, ensuring no compromise on performance or cost effectiveness. With an input voltage ranging from 9 to 75 volts DC, the TEC3UI covers a variety of standard bus voltages, minimizing the need for multiple model variants in an application. Additionally, the compact SiP8 plastic case makes the TEC3UI series ideal for space-constrained applications. Key specifications of the TEC3UI series are ultra-wide 8-to-1 input voltage range, compact SiP8 package, operating temperature range -40 degrees Celsius to +90 degrees Celsius, input-output isolation of 2000 volts. These series offer 7 different models. The TEC3UI establishes our new line of 8-to-1 input converter series in the SiP8 package. For more information, datasheets, and certifications, please visit our website, www.tracopower.com.